Blessed day mga ka-AutoCAD! Sharing again with you a little knowledge about our solid editing. What are those solid editing? We have the press pull, the union, the subtract, and the intersect. But before that, we are going to perform this command of a solid editing. We will have to create our 3D object because solid editing is for 3D object only. So we will have our box. We are on top view doing this, so let's have 50. And then we have to change our 3D view to perspective view. But then if we want to change our view on right, we can see already our box is already solid object because there is a height given, no? So, but then we will change to a perspective view so that we could use our visual style also. How to use in visual styles of realistic. So magnify a little of our drawing. And then this body of solid, which is box, we will have to try a cylinder on this surface of our box. The front surface is here. And then we could use a 25 value of a cylinder. So we could embed this part of the solid cylinder to a body of box. Another cylinder. Let's try our 10 value. So we try to get this part of the cylinder and then let's try union. So a three body of solid, we will union. Enter a command of union and then the body, which is the box and the cylinder and the another cylinder, enter. And then we will observe that these three objects of a box cylinder are now into one object. So union. So with the union command, we will make them in one. So union, unite, no? So the three body of solid now is in one body when we use the union. How about the subtract command? So let's have again the box. We are following the parallel z-axis vector and then we will have now our cylinder or box or whatever drawing you want to use. And then let's try here a value of 20. Then we will embed the part of the cylinder on the box body, which is on the side. Let's have 20. And then let's have embed. And then we will use subtract. So the body of 3 solid now, we will select the body, which is the box, enter. And then this body that will subtract to the box is the 2 cylinder. And what happened to this? The body of the box is now subtracted the part of the cylinder to the surface of the box. So meaning when you subtract from the word subtract, na-eliminate yung part ng cylinder to our body of the box. So we can now use our box again to perform the intersect. Then we could use this, then 20, then we will intersect this to the body. First is the box, and then the second body is the cylinder enter. So how come that will be intersected cylinder to the box is now eliminated, no? So part of the cylinder and the box itself are eliminated from the intersection of the body of the two solid. Two or more body of solid, we will perform a subtract, union, and intersect command. And how about the press pull? We can also stretch our solid using our press pull. So lengthen or stretching our drawing. So that's all we can use for our solid editing. Thank you, guys.